Hey there, bargain hunters and lovers of all things affordable. Let's talk AliExpress, that online treasure trove where you can find everything from quirky phone cases to surprisingly stylish clothes, all without breaking the bank. Seriously, the prices are so low they'd make even the most frugal shopper do a double take. But here's the catch. Sometimes those sweet deals come with a side of agonizingly slow shipping. We've all been there, right? Refreshing the tracking page like it's our job, wondering if our package is ever going to arrive. Fear not, my friends, because tonight, we're diving deep into the world of AliExpress shipping. We'll uncover the secrets to getting your goodies delivered faster than you can say free international shipping. So buckle up, grab your credit cards, you know you're gonna need them, and let's get this show on the road. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of speeding up your AliExpress shipping, let's take a moment to appreciate just how massive this platform really is. We're talking about a global retail giant here, folks. AliExpress boasts over 200 million active users worldwide. That's more people than the entire population of Brazil. And it's not just about the sheer number of users, it's the reach. AliExpress ships to over 200 countries and regions, making it a truly global marketplace. So yeah, it's safe to say that AliExpress is kind of a big deal. But with great power and low prices comes great responsibility, namely the responsibility of getting those packages to your doorstep in a timely manner. Here's the thing about AliExpress shipping. It can be a bit of a mixed bag. Sometimes you get lucky and your package arrives in a couple of weeks. Other times, you're left twiddling your thumbs for what feels like an eternity. The standard shipping time for AliExpress can range from a few weeks to a couple of months. And let's be real, nobody wants to wait 2 months for a pair of novelty socks, no matter how adorable they are. But don't despair, there are ways to outsmart the system and get your AliExpress fix faster. Section 4. Hack your shipping tips for faster delivery. All right, let's get down to business. Here are a few tried and true tips to speed up your AliExpress shipping. First, choose AliExpress standard shipping. This might seem obvious, but trust me on this one. AliExpress standard shipping is generally faster and more reliable than the free shipping options. Plus, it comes with tracking so you can actually see where your package is in the world. Second, look for the ships from location. Pay close attention to where the item is being shipped from. If you're in the US and the item is shipping from China, it's going to take a while. But if you can find the same item shipping from within your own country, you're golden. And last but not least, check seller ratings and reviews. Before you hit that buy now button, take a minute to check out the seller's ratings and reviews. Look for sellers with high ratings and positive feedback, especially when it comes to shipping times. Section 5. Choosing your champion seller ratings and shipping speed. Remember, not all AliExpress sellers are created equal. Some are shipping ninjas, while others are, well, let's just say they're not winning any awards for speed. When you're browsing for items, take a moment to click on the seller's name and check out their profile. You'll find their ratings, feedback from other buyers, and most importantly, their average shipping time. Look for sellers with a proven track record of fast shipping. It's also a good idea to read through the reviews to see what other buyers have to say about their experience. Section 6. Location is key. Domestic warehouses for the win. One of the biggest factors affecting AliExpress shipping times is the distance your package has to travel. If you're ordering from a seller in China and you live in the US, that's a long way for a little package to go. That's why it's always a good idea to check if the seller has warehouses or shipping centers in your country. Many AliExpress sellers now have warehouses in the US, Canada, Europe, and other regions. Ordering from a local warehouse can significantly reduce shipping times, sometimes even down to a few days. So before you check out, take a look at the ships from location and see if you can snag that sweet domestic shipping.